Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another brand new marketing video. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete review of Sendinblue, one of the best email marketing software which you can use it for your email marketing. No matter you want to send bulk emails, you want to do email marketing for your e-commerce, for lead generation, you can do everything with this email marketing software. And this one is the best as compared to pricing, as compared to the feature you get in the free version. It's absolutely incredible. So let's into my computer screen and let me show you that what are the things you will get in the free version, what are the things you will get in the paid version, and what are the benefits, what are the negative sides of this marketing software. That's all I'm going to cover right in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to find out everything about this Sendinblue email marketing software. So let's start with the video and let's get into my computer screen. So this is the email marketing software I was talking about, Sendinblue. I will give the link in the description so you can click on that and you can come to this website. So this is the software we're going to use for our email marketing, and this one is one of the best. I have been using this email marketing software from the last 1 year, and I use it for all the different campaign which I run on my website, where I send a cold emails or I do e-commerce emails. So that's all I do, and I use this email marketing software extensively. And why I telling this one is the best one, because like in compare with the other email marketing software like Mailchimp, ConvertKit, like in those things, like in those email marketing software, there are some restriction that Mailchimp will provide you to create one audience, and you will not get the advanced feature which you need to do the email marketing. But here in this one, you will get all the feature, all the functionality. So let me give you a complete overview that what is this Sendinblue and what are the things it going to provide you if you start using. So let me scroll down, like you can read all this thing, pickup tools, like they are the amazing features. Like here is the main part. These are the features we're going to look mainly. So let me bring it down. So email marketing, SMS marketing, chat, inbox, CRM, marketing automation, transactional email. So if you are having an e-commerce, so you can send transactional email, and you can do segmentation, like so you can do multiple segmentation in this email marketing software. So you can just send the email as per the audience, as per the open rate. That's all you can do. They will allow you to create a landing page, sign up forms, add Facebook ads. So they provide bunch of options which you can go and you can use it for this one. So now let's check the pricing. Like if you click on the pricing here, we have to focus more. Like in the free version, what you can do, like you can import unlimited contacts, you can send up to 300 emails. Like in the other email marketing software, they have a restriction, you can't import unlimited contact. Like they will allow you to import only 2000 contacts, and in every day they allow you to send only 100 emails. So that's why it's a free version. It's one of the best one. And the one thing I would like to say, that in other email marketing software like Mailchimp allow you to create one audience only, but here in Sendinblue you can create multiple audience. And that's why I use this one, because here in my email marketing campaign I have different audience for different target products. So that's why I just prefer this one to go with the free one, because here we can create multiple audience. And if you check the other plans like Elite, you will get no daily limit, extra email supports, Elite plus some extra add-ons you will get, like A/B testing. So suppose if you are an e-commerce industry, or if you are scaling any kind of email marketing campaign, on that time you need A/B testing, because we create two different product pages or two different email template to test that which one is performing well. So for that we need A/B testing. Like the sad part is we don't get that A/B testing in the free version. We used to get 1 years before, but right now they have included in the paid one. So A/B testing you wouldn't get. And in the premium one, it's also the same marketing automation. You will get Facebook ad, landing page, and these all features you will get. And if you are a big enterprise, then you will get all these features. But here I must say that you will get marketing automation is also there. So when someone's land into your email account, they will get automated message through when they subscribe to an email form. That's it in this video. I hope you'd like it. I just want to try to make this video as short as possible, and I would suggest you and recommend you that you should always start with this Sendinblue email marketing software, because when you start you have to learn a lot of things. You have to learn all the features and functionality which involves in email marketing software. And the best part of Sendinblue is that it will provide you all the advanced feature in the free version. and that's how you can learn and you can understand even more better with it how you can going to scale your campaign when you are starting in email marketing. So it is one of the best. I would recommend you. I use it personally for myself, so I always recommend those things to my viewers what I use personally for myself, and this one is really working for me. MailChimp, ConvertKim, these are quite easy, but it will not provide you the all features and functionality which you require to increase your knowledge for the email marketing and do the email marketing in a proper way. At the end, I just want to tell you that it's worth trying. It will always help you in your career when you want to do any kind of sort of marketing. So these are the things which you have to learn and you have to implement when it's come to marketing anything. If you are writing a content on your blog, or if you want to promote your blog post or promote any affiliate link, that's all help you when you're going to use this email marketing. And this is how you're going to scale your campaign and do a lot of things. So I hope you would like this video. If you really have any question or any comment, write down in the comment section, so I would help you and answer you and try to improve your efficiency of getting just lead and generate more content. That's all I'm going to do it. So do let me know what do you want to know from me. I would love to help you. Have a great day and bye bye.